Tactics for targeting and tracking mobile marketing. Targeting tactics. Before you can worry about measuring the results of a mobile marketing campaign, you need to figure out who you are marketing to. Know your customers in order to tailor your message to them. Tracking your results. Once you've entered the mobile marketing playing field, data will start coming out of the woodworks. Have analytics in place to track your results. Some of the tools include the mobile marketing landing page, SMS coding solution, opt-in options, apps with tracking built-in, and software solution. Join me in Chapter 7 when we look at profits and power, the advantages of mobile marketing.